Hey guys, what's up? Well, this is Sunny and you're watching GATI Games and Technology Information. So guys, today in this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can switch off your calculator within seconds. So without wasting much of our time, let's jump into the tutorial. Well guys, let me tell you that in this video, you will be seeing 4 different ways to switch off this calculator. So let's roll on. Beginning with the first step, you need to press this plus button and this power button simultaneously for 7 seconds. At 7, release your finger to get your calculator switched off. Well, moving on the second step, you need to press multiply button and power button simultaneously again for the 7 seconds to get your calculator switched off. Similarly, in the third step, you need to press percentile button and power button simultaneously for 7 seconds to get your calculator switched off. At 7, release your finger to get your calculator switched off like this. Well, moving toward the fourth and the last step. In this step, you need to press divide, multiply, percentile, check, correct delete and again correct delete. That means twice. So let's begin. And now press it twice to get your calculator switched off like this. Let me show you once more. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys enjoyed this video, then don't forget to drop us a like and subscribe to our channel so you get such stuff weekly.